Hello, I'm going to show you how to create the aim and trend lines. And so here's the finished chart based on the data that we have provided on the left-hand side right here. And you notice that there's an aim line right here. And this is the data line, and this is the trend line. And we are going to create a graph that looks just like this, okay, with the title and the labels. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and delete this one. And then to create a chart, you have to just highlight the data and then go to charts right here and select line. And I'm going to select this one right here, marked line, because I want to see all the marks along the line. And so I'll select this. Well, right now it looks a little bit different than what we had, but I'm going to expand it first, make it a little bit bigger. And so it shows all the dates, but the line, the aim line is not showing. And what we need to do is to just right click on a PC or control click on a Mac, and then go to select data. And after that, right here where it says show empty cells as, I'll select connect data points with line, and it shows the line right there, yeah, the aim line. And after that, I want to create a trend line. And what I need to do is to just select this data line right here, control click or right click, and then go to select data. No, sorry, right here, add trend line. Okay, very easy. And we'll just use the default trend line, which is the linear one, and click on it. So now we have the three lines. We should change this legend right here. Yeah, it's just saying series 1, series 2. We should give the proper name right here. Now, I did this on purpose because I want to show you how to change these names. Because usually if you have selected the data, include the labels right here, it would have shown up, show the proper names here. But if, let's say you did not do that, or if your table does not have those names, how do you change these names? What you have to do is to right click or control click. After that, go to select data again. And right here where it says name, okay, you just need to click on this little symbol here and go select the label. And okay, so I just click on ROF progress, and it shows the location of that cell right there. And after that, I press return. And now you notice the data line has the proper name there. And so I'll do the same thing for series 2. Series 2, of course, the name is aimline right here. So click on that and press enter or return, and then click OK. Now the advantage of doing it like this rather than typing the name in the pop-up window just now is that if I have to change the name right here, then it will also change the name right here, so I don't need to change it in two places. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to insert the title of the graph. And what you need to do is to go to chart layout right here, and where it says chart title, I'll just select it, title above. Now I believe this one should be called oral reading fluency progress. Okay, just that's what this stands for. And usually for a chart like this, because it represents one particular student, you should also put the student's name probably underneath. But in this case, it's just sample data. We don't have the student name yet, so it is okay. And we need to also provide the names of the axis. And so I'll click right here, horizontal axis. I'll give it a name, and this should be the weeks. Okay, and vertical axis, this should be words read correct per minute. Okay, and that's it. Now the next thing I want to do is to put this legend on top instead of on the side, because it takes up so much white space right here. And all I need to do is to click right here, it says legend. Now I can actually drag this box to where I want, but it's probably better to select it this way. And I'll select overlap legend on the right. And so what I do is then I can drag it up like this. So what I need to do is to right click or control click again, but don't click on the line itself. Okay, click on the white areas at the back. So control click and select format chart area. And after that, where it says fill, right now there's no fill, and I'll give it a little gray. So in this case, if I have selected the formats, the chart area, I actually selected background. So that's not what I want. So I'll click cancel, and I'll click on the plot area, formats plot area, and now I'll select the fill, give it a grade, and click OK. And after that, if you want to change the color of the lines, you can also do that. Again, is Control click or right click, and after that, format data series, and you can select the line, and if you change it to a different color, you see, the line will change the color. And if you want to change the color of the markers too, you can do the same thing. Go in, marker style, you can change the style. You can change the marker fill and the marker line, and so you can change the color for all the different elements. Okay, so that's how you do it.